Welcome to section of the R Troubleshooting Solutions video course. This section is all about input and output. We'll begin this section by learning how to read data from and write data to Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Then, we'll learn how to write text to a file line by line. We'll learn a quick and easy way to export a data frame as a PDF. And finally, we'll look at some methods for importing data from the internet. This video is on reading and writing Microsoft Excel files. You'll learn how to read Excel spreadsheets using the Read Excel package, and how to write them with the Open XLSX package. Here's an example of an Excel spreadsheet that you might want to import into R. To make things a little more complicated and realistic, the data that we want, so this table, is actually in sheet 2 of the file. Let's move over into RStudio. To read Microsoft Excel files, we can use a package called Read Excel, that's READXL. Read Excel provides a function called read_excel, and that's spelled EXCEL, that will read a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet as a tibble, which is a special kind of data frame. Read_excel takes a path of the Excel file you want to read as the first argument, and you can also provide a sheet argument to specify the sheet that you want to import. So in this case, we want to import sheet 2. Note that any formatting or formulae in the spreadsheet will be lost. Only the values in each cell are imported. Now let's see how we can write a data frame, or a tibble, back to an Excel spreadsheet. We'll use the built-in iris data frame as an example. Unfortunately, the Read Excel package doesn't provide a function for writing Excel spreadsheets, so we can use a different package called OpenXLSX. To write a data frame to an Excel spreadsheet, we can use the OpenXLSX function write.xlsx, with the data frame as the first argument, and the file path to write to as the second. Let's have a look at the resulting file. And we can see that the data frame has been written with the column names in the first row. Now, as with reading Excel files, when we write a file with OpenXLSX, the resulting spreadsheet has no text formatting or formulae, it's only got the data frame values.